What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am recording this at 10 p.m. Like at 10 p.m. I'm recording this right now. So yeah, just don't ask why. Anyways, today what I'm gonna be doing is trolling as a helicopter. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using a different menu, not Beatlands menu, but Xenon free menu. It's a pretty good menu, and especially that most of the cool stuff is undetectable except the crash gun is amazing. So if you want to get this menu, you can join my Discord or his Discord. You can join both if you want, but yeah. I have some new improvements. I have a room now, a basketball, a lot of stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. It supports me and helps me a lot. So yeah, let's get into the video. Hey, Santa!
And then the voting was perfectly fine.
Santa! Santa, come here, Santa! Hey, Santa!
Wow, you actually know that?
Hey, potato! Potato! Hey, potato or coconut? Hey! Can I show you something? Do you believe that I can turn into a helicopter?
No.
Look at me. 3, 2, 1. Helicopter!
How did he do that?
I'm a helicopter.
Oh,
I can do it again if you want. Helicopter!
I want to record this time. Let me.
Okay, record. What's up, guys? It's Mr. Beast. I'm gonna turn into a helicopter. Helicopter. Top hat. Can I show you something?
Yeah, let me show you something. Cool magic trick. Look, show him this.
Do you believe that I can turn into a helicopter?
You're gonna pull Juice WRLD?
Helicopter.
What? He pulled the Juice WRLD. Just kidding. He pulled a reverse Kobe Bryant.
I am a helicopter. Want to see it again?
No, you pulled a reverse. No, you pulled a reverse Kobe Bryant.
I broke my
Helicopter.
It's still working.
Do you know how Kobe Bryant died?
Yeah. Look.
Helicopter.
He died in a plane crash and it went downwards, and he turned into a helicopter and went downwards. So he was a reverse Kobe Bryant.
Can you do that again, G?
Okay, sure.
No, come here.
Helicopter.
Bro, he did a reverse Kobe Bryant. He pulled a reverse Kobe Bryant, bro.
Bro, for real.
Stop that. Freaking he can't even get up here.
Yeah. Hey, Black.
What do you want?
Can I show you something?
Get up here.
Hey, bro.
Come here, boy.
Treehouse. Hey.
Please. I got him.
Hey, Black. I'm a helicopter. Wait, where? Hey, Purple. I see you. Hey, Purple. Look at this.
This man blind. Alright, where's the Daisy?
Oh my God, Daisy.
Daisy on there.
Hey, hat.
I'm here.
Hey, the guy who's singing. Hey, hello.
What? Bursting out.
I can turn into a helicopter.
Hey guys. Helicopter.
Tutorial on how to become a helicopter. First, flap your hands.
Tutorial on how to make this kid that's trying to become a helicopter shut the fuck up.
And second, you just jump like.
Second, you just shut up. Please.
Hey, hat.
What?
Oh, come here, y'all.
Yellow.
Hey,
Honestly, I might be in a...
where are you going? Where are you going? Wait, go on the stump. Go on the stump. Go on the stump.
I will. Give me a second. Takes time though, so you just gotta give me a goofy yellow monk, and he'll be it. From yours truly. Who's the team? Goofy yellow monk, not right? Goofy yellow monk. Well, good for you, plain monkey. I wouldn't say you're try hard, but you are pretty good at the game. Okay.
Who's good at the
I
game?
messed up. I can tell.
GG's. As a celebration?
I'm not really. What the fuck is that? Holy shit. Hey, wait, can I ask you a question? Yeah, no, that motherfucker's not coming back.
I'm over here. I'm back. Look at me. I'm here. I'm back.
Can I ask you a question?
But I can go back.
Can I ask you a question? That's funny as shit, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I am new here.
Hello, Danny ASCP. Come here.
Hello, I'm from Russia.
Oh, okay. Come here. Okay, look. Hey,
Yeah, I look.
look.
What is this? What the fuck? I don't know. Whoa!
I'm gonna flap my wings.
How? How are you doing?
Blue. Blue. Where are you going? Where are you going, Blue? Where are you going? Okay, fine. I'm gonna leave you alone. Just look at me. Oh, you're wall running? Nice.
I like this game.
Muncie? Who's the guy that's saying Muncie? You're the guy who's saying Muncie. Where's the person who's saying Muncie?
Me!
Hey, I want to show you something.
What?
I'm gonna turn into a helicopter.
Not a ghost. Not a ghost? Oh, it's a cat.
How?
Oh, look at him.
I'm new in this game.
He never get tagged. He could never get tagged.
I'm already tagged. I'm already tagged. I'm gonna hit the floor.
Oh my gosh, how you do that?
I just ascend. I just fall to the ground, I die, and then I go to heaven. That's how it works.
Okay,
Look.
I do that.
No, I'm gonna break my arms. Wait, I'ma just jump down. Ah.